Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we will discuss about the benefits of investing in government bond. Investing in government bonds offers several benefits. 1. Safety. Government bonds are considered one of the safest investment options because they are backed by the government's full faith and credit. This means the risk of default is extremely low, making them a stable choice for conservative investors. 2. Guaranteed income. Government bonds typically provide a fixed interest rate, ensuring a predictable and reliable income stream. This can be especially attractive for retirees or individuals seeking consistent returns. 3. Diversification. Government bonds can diversify your investment portfolio. They often have a low correlation with other asset classes like stocks, helping reduce overall portfolio risk. 4. Liquidity. Government bonds are generally highly liquid, meaning you can buy and sell them easily in the secondary market. This liquidity provides flexibility to adjust your investments according to changing financial goals. 5. Tax advantages. In some cases, government bond interest income may be exempt from state and local taxes, making them a tax-efficient investment for certain individuals. While government bonds have these advantages, it's essential to consider factors like interest rate risk and inflation, which can impact your returns over time. Therefore, it's crucial to assess your investment goals and risk tolerance before including government bonds in your portfolio. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.